Hello. Today for math, we are going to solve for word problems. Let's go ahead and get started with the problem that we have today. At Lakewood School, 964 students ride the bus each day. How many students ride the bus in 1 week? Let's take a look to see what we know about this problem. I know that in 1 day, 964 students ride the bus. Now the question is asking me, how many students ride in 1 week? I know that in 1 week, Monday through Sunday, there are 7 days. So I can think of 964 times 7. I'm going to write that down right here. So we are going to find the total number of students who ride the bus in 1 entire week. Let's go ahead and use the area model here to help us solve for the multiplication problem. In the number 964, I have 900. I have 6 tens or 60, and I have 4 ones. I'm going to multiply that by 7, which is my multiplier. I'll put it here. Now that I have this area model set up, I can go ahead and multiply. I'm going to start with the 7 and multiply that beginning with the ones place. So 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Next, I will multiply the tens place. 7 times 60. The number 60 is really large and it's not on my chart, but I can think of 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Then I will add my zeros. Are there any zeros in the number 7? Nope. Are there any zeros in the number 60? Yes, there's 1 0. So I'm going to add a 0 here. 7 times 60 is 420. Now I'll move to the hundreds place. 7 times 900. Again, I'm going to work with just 7 and 9 first, and then I can add my zeros at the end. 7 times 9 is 63. There are no zeros in the number 7. There are 2 zeros in the number 900. 7 times 900 is 6,300. Now that we have these boxes completed, we are going to add them together. We start with the highest value, 6,300 plus 420. Make sure you are lining them up nice and neat, and plus 28. 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 6 right here. So how many students ride the bus in 1 week? 6,748. When you write an answer for word problems, you need to label what it is. In this case, it is students. This part right here where we label is part of the answer. So I have 6,748 students in 1 week.